Hi, so this is a special uke. It's a tenor size with a nice redwood top, Madagascar rosewood fingerboard, ebony bridge and headplate. But what makes it really special is this wood that I've had laying in my kind of wood pile for about a decade. And it's the first time I've actually got around to using it. And it is called Sabicu. It's from the region of the Bahamas, Jamaica, Haiti, Dominican Republic, Cuba. Sometimes called Caribbean walnut, which is a term I wouldn't use because it just doesn't make sense to me. It has a Jenka hardness of 1,400, and to put a bit of perspective on that, Mahogany is 900 and Brazilian is 2,000, about 2,800. It's 780 kilograms per cubic meter in weight. Mahogany is about 600 and Brazilian's about 830, so it's pretty much between Honduran mahogany and Brazilian in hardness, and it really is an extraordinarily beautiful wood. And this has a mahogany neck, ebony bindings. I'm going to play this now, but first I'm going to play a uke that I just did a sound sample for to give you some perspective in tone. So this is number 75, which is All Tassie Blackwood. And this is number 73, Redwood with Sabicu. So there's another difference between this uke and the other one. The other one has single sides, so one layer of wood for the sides. This has two, and that just really gives rigidity to the overall shape, but it also makes the sides extremely strong but also inert. And what that does is it stops all the energy from the top, from the strings that go into the top. If I can demonstrate it this way, the strings go into the top, they radiate out, and if your sides are floppy, that energy just, kind of gets mushed down into the sides and the back. But when you have stiff sides like this double-sided uke, the sounds go to here and then they bounce back and just keep generating overtone, so it makes for a better instrument. And that just keeps on ringing. This has the same strings and bracing pattern, just 3 fans. quality of tone is really good too. Sabicu. What a beautiful wood. I brought this wood over from where I used to work at Gillet Guitars in Sydney with Gerard Gillet, Darryl Wheeler and Michael Pemberthy. And I have 2 sets of this left, and I think I'm gonna keep one for myself, so I'll use another one for a build. They're only tenor size too. And it's kind of like, think of bird's eye figured mahogany, I guess is the closest you could describe this as. And paired with a redwood top, it seems to really sparkle. But any top is good. That's not the best note to leave on. Number 73. Beautiful uke. But they all are, really.